This is the tutorial for the random image chooser or the random word chooser. These are the ones that I use for calling on students randomly in class. The word chooser obviously is just for their names. The image chooser, I can actually pull pictures from about anywhere and drag and drop them right into the app for the smartboard. So first things first, for any of these applications that you're going to add to a smart slide, you go right here to the window pane, click on that, and it gives you your search box here. Up here in the search box, I'm going to type random image, and then all of these Flash apps are in the interactive and multimedia slide right here. So it says we have 3 options. If I click that, random image group picker will give you groups so you can put all the kids' pictures in it. Hit the button and it would actually spit out random groups instead of you having to determine them. I'm going to start here on just the regular random image chooser, and you just grab that and pull it over, and there it is. So once I've got the image chooser up, I've got to go find images to place in it. Since I didn't want to use student pictures, I did go ahead and pull one of my middle son Wyatt from Facebook. Yes, you can even pull them from Facebook. So I just click on it, grab it, bring it over into Infinite Campus, and drop it right here. There is Wyatt's picture. Now, since at the moment I only have one student, let me see if perhaps I can go over here and grab a different picture. Here's one of me and both of my sons. I'll grab that as well and drop it right here. Alright, so now I have 2 students added, so I will go ahead and click on 2 to erase all the rest of the boxes. And if I hit select, it will choose one student to read or answer a question or anything else that I would like them to have. Again, that drag and drop works just the same for Infinite Campus. If you search the student and it brings up their student picture, you can then drag that picture directly into the chooser and place it in there. The exact same thing works for the random word chooser, so I'm going to create another slide. Go back into my search box. I'll make this full screen again since we don't need pictures any longer, and click random word, and I actually have random word chooser already popping up there. Back to interactive and multimedia, and there's your random word chooser. Same exact thing, drag that over into your slide. It'll populate. Now, with the smartboard text boxes, they do not give you a cursor or any sort of indication of where your mouse is, so you just kind of have to click in there and figure out where you've clicked in order to start typing. So we're going to add a few students, and we'll just tab down between these boxes. Alright, we've got 5 students added now. So to remove all the extra boxes, we'll click on 5, and again we can select a student. Alright, now let's say we're trying to answer questions and we don't want the same students to be called again. It has a no repeat button right down here in the corner. You simply click on that, and then you can hit select over and over. Jill was chosen. If we select again, Jill is now removed from the mix, and only Mark, John, Ashley, or Marcus can be called on. And those are your 2 random image chooser and your random word chooser for the smartboard.